Binary options trading can be highly attractive due to its simplicity, but it also attracts numerous scams targeting inexperienced traders. To avoid falling victim to such frauds, it's crucial to follow a few key strategies. First, only trade with regulated brokers. Always verify that the platform you are using is registered with a recognized financial authority, such as the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, or the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Regulatory bodies enforce rules that ensure a fair trading environment, which reduces the risk of fraudulent activities. Unregulated brokers, on the other hand, often operate in the shadows and may engage in deceitful practices. Secondly, avoid unrealistic promises. If a platform promises guaranteed profits with little risk, it's a red flag. Binary options trading inherently involves risks, and no legitimate broker can predict market movements with certainty. Always approach platforms that claim consistent high returns with skepticism. Additionally, be cautious of hidden fees. Some fraudulent brokers lure traders in with attractive offers, but impose high withdrawal or processing fees that prevent access to your funds. Thoroughly read the fine print of any terms and conditions to ensure you understand the cost structure. Another important factor is platform transparency. Legitimate brokers provide clear, detailed information about their services, fees, and potential risks involved. They also make it easy for you to contact customer support, whether via phone, email, or live chat. Scammers, on the other hand, often provide vague details and hide behind complex and hard-to-navigate websites. Moreover, it's crucial to be aware of pressure tactics. Scammers often employ aggressive marketing strategies, such as calling you persistently or offering limited-time investment opportunities, urging you to deposit funds quickly without fully considering the risks. Never feel pressured to make hasty decisions. Also, avoid platforms that offer unverified trading signals or expert advice. Many scams promote the idea of insider knowledge or automatic trading systems that can guarantee profits. In reality, these systems often perform poorly and are merely tools to lure you into depositing more money. Research user reviews and ratings before signing up with a broker. Look for independent feedback from other traders, as well as reviews on trusted websites and forums. Scammers often create fake positive reviews to boost their image, so it's vital to cross-check sources. Finally, practice with a demo account before committing real funds. Many reputable brokers offer demo accounts where you can practice trading without risking money. If a broker does not offer this option or limits your ability to explore their platform, consider it a red flag. By staying informed and cautious, you can protect yourself from falling victim to scams and ensure a safer binary options trading experience.